Hi everybody, so tonight we're making a medium priced dinner. I got some fresh orange Roughy. It was $14.99, good size pieces. See them here? I'm going to put them in my pan. And I cut up some purple cauliflower. I don't think there's really much of a difference, just a little bit of color. Have that already ready for my microwave steamer. I'm going to put that on for 4 minutes. And we're going to let that just get a little color on the one side. We'll throw in a little bit of fresh garlic. And we like garlic. Lots of garlic. Just want to get a little color on the one side, and then we'll cook it the rest of the way. Put a little lemon on here. Put a little bit of seasoning. Again, I'm using my seasoning mix that I make up ahead of time. On my YouTube site, I'll also post a link to it. A little more lemon. And just for some taste, we're going to put a little bit of butter in. Now, the thing with orange Roughy, it's, as far as calorie-wise, each one of these pieces is about 150, 160 calories with about 30 grams of protein. There sometimes is a decent amount of mercury, so you don't want to have this all the time. They live to be about 100, 150 years old, so they go through some pretty yucky, dirty water. That's why they're not the healthiest fish, and that's why they sometimes have a little bit high amounts of mercury, but we don't have it very often. So again, it's a very light white fish. Doesn't have a lot of taste, so it tends to take the taste of whatever you're seasoning with. In this case, it's a little bit of butter with some garlic and lemon. Hard to have seafood without lemon. Let's see if we can't get a little bit of this on the fish. These are actually pretty big pieces, so. Let that cook another minute or so, and then we'll have our fresh orange Roughy and our purple cauliflower. So in about 2 or 3 more minutes, we'll be eating. Hopefully you have a good dinner too.